Hello, welcome to Valentine's Day DIY 123 by Pearl Treasure Designs. Here we go, we're starting with DIY number 1. This is an awesome event here. So here we're putting together a wooden heart from the dollar store, painting it white, and getting all those cracks and crevices as well as we can that's going to be seen. And then we're going to set that aside in just a minute to let it completely dry and go on to the next part of the project. So here I'm getting a Dremel out and I'm doing some wood burnishing on this LED wood truck with Valentine's Day on it, outlining it with red marker. And then I'm adding some magnets. I added one to start with. And here we're putting on the embellishment also from the dollar store. I'm just trying to figure out where to put everything. You know. And this will have a hanger, a jute hanger on it. So we don't have to worry about having any additional hangers on it. So placement is important, and what I also have done is I painted the inside of the truck white so that you could see the white hearts coming through when the LED is lit on the inside of the truck. And yeah, I'm just figuring out right at this point that I needed a second magnet to make it lay flat. Trial and error. And we'll glue those down to the white heart itself so that it is stable. And the magnets are pretty strong, so it's not going to move, but it will help it stay stable on a metal surface if you're putting it on a refrigerator or a cabinet or something like that that's made of metal. And all of these embellishments I did purchase at the local dollar store. So check them out and see what you can find. So I do love that galvanized envelope with the embellishments already on it. If you wanted to add, you know, some outline, like paint outline to it, that would be cute too. And now we're going to add the jute hanger. It already came with the heart, and it does have the metal backing ends so that it doesn't break off in any way from the heart itself. DIY number 1. Here we are, DIY number 2. This is a wonderful little project that is so quick and easy. We are making a whiteboard and cork board out of dollar store items. And I used a backing for an artist paint palette, or canvas, so to speak, the self-adhesive cork, and then glued on the already prepared chalkboard. I did add jute hangers if you want to put it on a wall, and later on I did place magnets to put it on my metal cabinet. And here I'm using Making Memories rub-on letters for just a little added spin to it for notes, and then of course they rub on and then they're good to go. DIY number 3. This is a cute little project. It'll take a little time to put together, and we are making a cup and saucer bird feeder, and I'm cutting the chain link to hang the bird feeder with, and I do have a special pair of metal cutters right there, and each one I did measure out to be about 10 inches long. And This metal was a little difficult to work with. It took some extra muscles to open up the sterling and the chain link on that. So you can use any type of chain that you would like with that. And what I'm using to attach the O-rings to the saucer was an epoxy glue, and then I think it's called E6000, and it dries technically overnight. So, and I'm marking the saucer right there so I know where to put the E6000 glue. And then I will let it sit. I'm going to tape it into place so that it doesn't rock or move if I bump the table or anything like that. And now I'm trying to figure out where I want my my chains. Now on this one, I'm going to admit this one I put on backwards, and you'll see the fixed or repaired plate at the end of the segment. So I'm gluing that on the cup itself so that it doesn't pull away. And here you're seeing the finished products. This is DIY number 1, DIY number 2, and DIY number 3, and that is the completed cup. Thanks for watching. Here you're gonna see my bloopers. An example of what not to do. Why? Because eventually it will do this. Okay? Example of what to do. You see the difference? The chain has to go in back of the cup. Brain fart. Do yours right.